What you got, boy? Is that a rock or a shell? That's actually, that looks like a piece of broken PVC. Yep, PVC. And he's going to get it. He loves the rocks. I guess he found a softer rock from his perspective. I don't know why he loves rocks. Hey, buddy. I'm just waiting on you to pick up another rock. Oh, there's a big rock you can pick up. Okay, now what are you after? I do not get his fascination with rocks. He's a rock hound. Literal translation. And he thinks he's a termite sometimes too. I got a little bit of rotten wood at the bottom of my back door that he has on the frame that he's chewed away. That was one of his first projects when I got him. Which is fine because I needed to replace it anyway, and that gives me a good excuse to. And he finally got broke of that, so upgraded to rocks. Hey, spoiled. Okay, that's enough of that.